Assalomu alaykum hammaga. Mana bugun birinchi darsimizni ham boshlab oldik. Birinchi bo'lib o'rganadigan so'zimiz bu hello. Ma'nosi salom. Bu so'z ko'pchilikga tanish bo'lsa kerak. Hello. Hello. Keyingi so'zimiz please. Ya'ni iltimos degani. Please. Please. Thank you. Rahmat degani. Thank you. Thank you. That. Dada degani bu o'zbekcha so'zga o'xshashib ketadi. Oxiridagi a harfini olvorsiz, ikkalasining ma'nosi bir xil. That. That. Rahmat dada. Shu so'zni tarjima qilamiz. Thank you, dad. Thank you, dad. Thank you, dad. Keyingi gapimiz dada iltimos. Dad, please. Dad, please. Dad, please. Bu yangi so'zimiz friend, ya'ni do'st degani. Friend. Friend. Tarjima qilamiz. Salom do'stim. Hello friend. Hello friend. Hello friend. Keyingi yangi so'z my. Mening egalikni bildiradi. Bironta narsa, buyumni yoki shaxsni menga tegishli ekanligini aytish uchun ishlatiladi. My. My. Mening do'stim. Tarjima qilamiz. My friend. My friend. My friend. Tarjima qilamiz. Rahmat do'stim. Thank you, my friend. Thank you, my friend. Thank you, my friend. Keyingi yangi so'z birikmasi this ist. Ya'ni bu, bunisi. Biron narsani aytib yoki tasvirlab berayotganda this ist deb u haqida ma'lumot beramiz. This ist. This ist. Bu mening do'stim. Tarjima qilamiz. This is my friend. Demak, my friend so'z birikmasini o'rgandik. Mening do'stim. Demak, gap boshiga this is bu harfi qo'yiladi. This is my friend. This is my friend. Bu mening dadam. Shunga o'xshagan gap tarjima qilamiz. This is my dad. This is my dad. This is my dad. Keyingi yangi so'z your. Sening yoki sizning. Ingliz tilida sen va siz so'ziga bitta so'z ishlatiladi. Ya'ni your. Ham sening, ham sizning degan ma'noni bildiradi. Your. Your. Bu sening do'sting. Tarjima qilamiz. Sening do'sting. Buni addenda tarjima qilamiz. Oldinda Bu this is so'zini ishlating. This is your friend. This is your friend. This is your friend. Bu sening dadang. Tarjima qilamiz. Xuddi hozirgi so'zga o'xshash. This is your dad. This is your dad. This is your dad. Keyingi yangi so'z for. Uchun degani. For. For. Sening do'sting uchun. Tarjima qilamiz. Bu yerda uchun so'zni boshida ishlatiladi. For. For your friend. For your friend. For your friend. Mening dadam uchun. Tarjima qilamiz. Mening dadam. My dad. For my dad. For my dad. For my dad. Bu sening do'sting uchun. Tarjima qilamiz. Bu so'zi this is. Esdan chiqqan bo'lsa. This is for your friend. This is for your friend. This is for your friend. Keyingi yangi so'z help. Yordam degani. Help. Help. Sening yordaming. Tarjima qilamiz. Sening so'zi your. Your help. Your help. Your help. Yordaming uchun rahmat. Tarjima qilamiz. Bu yerda rahmat so'zi bilan boshlang. Thank you for your help. Thank you for your help. Thank you for your help. Help so'zi, ya'ni harakat, fe'l shaklida ham ishlatiladi, ya'ni yordam bermoq. Yordam bering, iltimos. Tarjima qilamiz. Bu yerda yordam bering buyruq gap bo'lgani uchun help so'zini qo'yamiz boshiga. Qolganini tarjima qiling. Yordam bering, iltimos. Please help yoki help please. Iltimos so'zi gapni ham boshida, ham oxirida kelsa bo'laveradi, u gapni o'zgartirmaydi. Please help. Help please. Do'stim, iltimos yordam ber. Tarjima qilamiz. Do'stim so'zi friend. My friend, please help. My friend, please help. My friend, please help. Salom, iltimos dadamga yordam ber. Yordam ber so'zi help deb tarjima qilinadi. Hello, please help my dad. Hello, please help my dad. Hello, please help my dad. I ya'ni men degani. I men do'stimga yordam beraman. Tarjima qilamiz. Ya'ni men I so'zi bilan boshlaymiz. Yordam beraman do'stimga. I help my friend. I help my friend. Demak, I help men yordam beraman. Kimga? My friend. I help my friend. Keyingi yangi so'zimiz need, ya'ni kerak degani. Need. Menga kerak. I need. I need. I need. Menga yordam kerak. I need help. I need help. I need help. Menga dadam kerak. I need my dad. I need my dad. I need my dad. Keyingi yangi so'zimiz water yoki war, suv degani. War. Bu suv. This ist war. This ist war. This ist war. Suv uchun rahmat. Thank you for war. Thank you for war. Thank you for war. Keyingi yangi so'z bread, non degani. Bread. Bu mening nonim. This is my bread. This is my bread. This is my bread. Non uchun rahmat. Thank you for bread. Thank you for bread. Thank you for bread. Keyingi yangi so'z end, va degani. End. Non va suv. Bread and war. Bread and war. Bread and war. Dadam va men. My dad and I. My dad and I. My dad and I. Iltimos va rahmat. Please and thank you. Please and thank you. Please and thank you. Keyingi yangi so'zimiz drink, ya'ni ichmoq degani. Drink, drink. Men suv ichaman. I drink water. I drink water. I drink water. İçishim kerak. Menga kerak. Gapni boshini I need bilan boshlaymiz. I need to drink. I need to drink. I need to drink. Do'stimga yordam berishim kerak. Demak, bu gapda ham menga kerak so'zi bilan boshlaymiz. I need to help my friend. I need to help my friend. I need to help my friend. Keyingi yangi so'zimiz eat, ya'ni yemoq degani. Eat, eat. Men non yeyman. I eat bread. I eat bread. I eat bread. Mening do'stim va men yeymiz. My friend and I eat. My friend and I eat. My friend and I eat. Yangi so'zimiz some, ya'ni biroz degani. Some, some. Biroz suv. Some water. Some water. Some water. Biroz yordam. Some help. Some help. Some help. Menga biroz non kerak. I need some bread. I need some bread. I need some bread. Keyingi yangi so'z hot, issiq degani. Hot, hot. Issiq non. Hot bread. Hot bread. Hot bread. Menga issiq non kerak. I need hot bread. I need hot bread. I need hot bread. Yangi so'z goodbye. Xayr degani. Goodbye. Goodbye. Xayr, do'stim. Goodbye, my friend. Goodbye, my friend. Goodbye, my friend. Xayr, dada. Goodbye, dad. Ya'ni goodbye, my dad desa ham bo'laveradi. Ikkalasi ham bitta so'z. Goodbye, dad. Goodbye, my dad. Cold, ya'ni sovuq degani. Cold, cold. Sovuq suv. Suv so'zi war esdan chiqqan bo'lsa. Cold war. Cold war. Cold war. Keyingi yangi so'zimiz book. Kitob degani. Book. Book. Sening kitobing. Your book. Your book. Your book. Bu mening kitobim. Bu so'zi zest est. This is my book. This is my book. This is my book. Yangi so'zimiz you. Sen, siz degani. Bundan oldingi darsimizda your so'zini o'rgangandik. Sening, sizning. Oxiridagi r harfini olvorsangiz you, sen, siz so'zi bo'ladi. You. You. Sen biroz non yegin. You eat some bread. You eat some bread. You eat some bread. Books. Ya'ni kitoblar degani. Book degani kitob. O'zbekchada lar so'zi ingliz tilida s deb aytiladi. Books. Kitoblar. Shu book so'ziga s so'zini qo'shib qo'ysangiz lar deb aytiladi. Books. Kitoblar. Book. Kitob. Books. Kitoblar. Books. Senga kitoblar kerak. You need books. You need books. You need books. Keyingi yangi so'zimiz good. Ya'ni yaxshi degani. Good. Good. Yaxshi suv. Good war. Good war. Good war. Keyingi yangi so'zimiz have. Bor, ega. Ya'ni senda bor, menda bor degan so'zlar ishlatiladi. Have. Have. Menda bor. I have. I have. I have. Senda bor. You have. You have. You have. Keyingi yangi so'zimiz many. Ko'p degani. Many. Many. Ko'p kitoblar. Many books. Many books. Many books. Ko'p yaxshi kitoblar. Many good books. Many good books. Many good books. Keyingi yangi so'zimiz read. O'qimoq. Read. Read. Men o'qiyman. I read. I read. I read. Sen o'qiysan. You read. You read. You read. Keyingi yangi so'z I am. Ya'ni men o'zim haqimda ma'lumot bermoqchi bo'lsam, I am deb boshlaymiz so'zni boshida. I am. I am. Men otaman. I am a dad. I am a dad. I am a dad. Keyingi yangi so'zimiz it. Ya'ni u degani hayvonga yoki bironta narsa buyumga ishlatasiz u deb, lekin insonga, shaxsga bu so'zni ishlatmaysiz. It. It. Menga u kerak. I need it. I need it. I need it. Shu bilan darsimiz oxiri edi.